The Acropolis of Athens is an ancient citadel located on a rocky hill overlooking the city of Athens, Greece. Its history spans thousands of years and is deeply intertwined with the development of Greek civilization. Here is a comprehensive history of the Acropolis of Athens, prehistoric period. The site of the Acropolis has evidence of human habitation dating back to the Neolithic period around 4000 to 3000 BC. During the Mycenaean period, 1600 to 1100 BC, a fortified palace complex was established atop the hill. Archaic period. In the 6th century BC, significant building activity took place on the Acropolis, with the construction of various temples and religious structures dedicated to different deities. The earliest major temple on the Acropolis was the Hecatompadon, dedicated to Athena, the Persians, and destruction. In 480 BC, during the Greco-Persian Wars, the Acropolis was besieged and captured by the Persian forces under King Xerxes I. The Persians looted and partially destroyed several structures, including the temples. Classical period. The most famous and iconic structures of the Acropolis were built during this period, including the Parthenon, 447-438 BC, dedicated to Athena Parthenos, the Erechtheion, 421-406 BC, the Propylaea, and the Temple of Athena Nike. Byzantine and Ottoman periods. During the Byzantine period, the Parthenon was converted into a Christian church, and other structures were repurposed for different uses. Under Ottoman rule, the Acropolis was turned into a fortified citadel, and the Parthenon was transformed into a mosque. Archaeological excavations and restoration. In the 19th and 20th centuries, systematic archaeological excavations were undertaken on the Acropolis to uncover its ancient. Significant restoration efforts were also made to preserve and reconstruct the damaged structures, aiming to bring the Acropolis back to its former grandeur. Modern times. Today, the Acropolis of Athens is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited tourist attractions in Greece and the world. It stands as a symbol of ancient Greek civilization, architectural brilliance, and the enduring legacy of Athens as a cultural and philosophical center. The Acropolis remains a testament to the rich history and cultural heritage of Greece, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to admire its historical significance and architectural marvels.